here for me mamuni akwaba about Melodies podcast YouTube channel. So we will be a wuni Ghana and I will Ghana. And one of the biggest news also Ghana the financial or the business side. Yes, Bank of Ghana about saying I be close down and I revoke the licenses of 23 because savings and loans and financial institutions Ghana. And they are in a story no about bonting. What are Midlands savings and loans? You in the Midlands, I think a year or 2 years ago. In some course, when police need call board and then it's our savings and loan. You revoke your license. But and yet police now walk up board lady no hunting you revoke license no Derby. I mean a lot of well-known institutions are you revoke one license. It's here for now. Some of the institutions are your booming GN savings and loan. Now, Bobby Becker say GN savings and loan about the same. Ideal finances, so ideal finances, you know, because one more billboards for Chrome Yama. Now, some more Kaya last year, I buy a closely down some banks. Now, say I buy closely down some banks, no, a year GN Bank, a year Pakwesi Indum Nidiano. I buy a reducing one more level from a bank status to savings and loans. Na yes ano Pakwesi Indum eba bonting and December 2 ja se senia enyama ekono aban emboa no because contractors be ebejiska munji asem ni yo contractors ebejiska fi Pakwesi Indum ne bank no GN bank ho ena wo mo de koye aban adwuma na sesi a contractors no wo muntumi entia Pakwesi Indum because aban enti omoye na aban afenchi ya beka se Pakwesi Indum ye pese ye hwese wo sika bi na sika no se be so a na still ya ma wada ne bank na sika ne nsu nti ye ma wada ne savings and loans ela Pakwesi Indum se sika na aban e de contractors no be sika ne free me ho no se aban etumi tua wo mo a sa sika na mo hwehwe no menya abroso ensema ato and egusu etwa because Pakwesi Indum etwen Minister of Finance court me breaki san news ne trem ene nyama me de sansem ni nia ebae Pakwesi Indum ono de nansema no osi sika mo ka se misika nsu nti mo ma me nda ne bank no nanka mutia me sika ne mamia nanka menya sa sika no nti no ade na ban wo yesa wo de tia me etiefo asem ni na no nti ye reducing no eco savings and loans no so and the 23 list and a list of 23 institutions about bontia ye close your down and ye revoke your license no ye dey on no account no about bontin the same asanso abetuja wo say asem we dey wo no Pakwesi Indum monti ase ne wawa asem we a esia aban ebe close ne down ne wawa tese ya dey ne wawa kra because still what the meka wuntia na nansenya Minister of Finance kra eba bonten e December 2 just say ne kra wo munim say wo mo de Pakwesi Indum ka na wo mo betia no na ansa na sa asem ne kra beba no Pakwesi Indum eba be assure Ghanaians say sisia investors eba e de sika abehye GN savings and loans ni mu ama asan akoda ne GN bank inti ma wo bia embohu na last week na Pakwesi Indum be ka sansem we nia na less than 2 weeks abai aba na list 23 list no GN bank ewom na reason na Bank of Ghana emaye wo mo de GN savings and loans aka ho say wo mo revoke your license no na etie for revoking of license no for NTS here sisi ahun the 23 we better make sure the list of the 23 institutions are revoke your license no. Now the list of the 22 institutions that you revoke your license no will be a way juma wo hobiano from and then an announcement in the buy will be a way juma wo hobiano from ende you are unemployed just from ende I buy a closest institution down into no want to mean ko juma biom like you are just unemployed just like that it's here for now this institution we say be bo omudin child Ideal Finance ewom Midland Savings and Loans wom GN Bank, senior Medinka Etreo, UniCredit. These are very popular savings and loans a year and now financial institutions in the country. It's here for Adum Savings and Loans Limited, All Time Finance Limited, Insu Ewom. Now, woman in no, me wa article be wa ha say a watetenten woman in reasoning tia ye close your down. Alpha Capital Savings and Loans Insu Ewom, ASN Financial Services Limited, Ewom, CDH Savings and Loans Limited, and also Commerce Savings and Loans Limited, Crest Finance House Limited. There's a washer institutions now be Dream Finance Limited. One more Dawson Express Savings and Loans Limited, First Allied Savings, and also are very popular, and also First African Savings and Loans Limited, and also First Ghana Savings and Loans Limited. There's a First Trust, a Dawson Global Asset Savings, GM Savings and Loans. Now reasoning here. Woman nano ye my reasoning tia ye revoke your licenses from Anderson and Medi country no we juma wo ho a just say we juma asay no na reasoning tia Bank of Ghana emaye GM Savings and Loans no ye revoke your licenses no still e sikasem na still ejina sikasem ne so a na enwa nsema wo mo ede tudwa way any summer BOG for Eka was say while GN has indicated that government owes it a total amount of 942.98 million Ghana cedis for Pakwesi Indum or say Ekana abai edeno no 942.98 million Ghana cedis. It's here for Bank of Ghana for say omoye assessment. Now, out of some 942 claim no, Pakwesi Indum also claim he said 102.73 million a interim payment certificate. Now, Bank of Ghana for say assessment no why no a interim payment certificate you trying to short FN IPCs no a 30.33 million per and a Ministry of Finance a confirm as at 6 August. Say one more day a year Pakwesi Indum ka. Into still that money is low. Almost say still that money is low. Now one more the chair also say our position is that GN savings is not only solvent but would be highly liquid if the Ministry of Finance simply ordered itself and other government agencies to quickly pay amounts owed to GN Savings and Loans Limited and related entities. We expect this matter to be resolved in due course. When asama Pakwesi Indum ni mum kan was say one no expectation and now one more GN no one position say abaya di omoka na sika no wo tia ya na ka sa mo benchmark na mo ama sa sika na mo say ye nyansa yetumi operate no na ka ye be bro ena ene GN pe ena mode ye ka mode ye other affiliate nso ka mutia ye nini na ye betumi aye ejuma enti ade na aban wo sabotage me sa enti wa hwe GN Group official releaser and they are wo release ya but anwawade a ewo eye assembly mu ne se Pakwesi Indum say officially no they have not been informed na se wono e kasa na say maybe some of the other and all of the other 22 financial institutions are revoking your license ne so no ye inform you more officially ye send you more letter we say we receive letter in free Bank of Ghana ho officially say you revoking your license into no ejuma no mamo nye biom na we na ema mi bisa asɛmti omo wo musika ewo ho no den na aban eye na chese wo monsa akasa ska no they say you close these 23 financial institutions down. We are just closing them down just like that. We are not thinking of the customers. Is that what we are just doing? When they say Misa mi Bisao, and I want more ejuma because young man say 23 a year financial win. One more young crophobia na or more. Na kabomu ni branches in all over Ghana, at least the capitals no. nti wo ni branch kra e bia Accra de wo be wo branch bi Tema nso obewo branch ena e bia Kumasi nti yemfa ne say these branches kra no nanka wo mo employ just 3 people kra wo ho a over hundreds of people o ena etie for wo mo lose employment omo nso aban yeden afọ mo ho say we are leaving them to their fate say wo mo nko na say de ombeye bia no mo nko ya na I think some things just like this and some things like this no eno na e was say aban eni eda ho ehwe so wo mbe ni ya no mo aye ni ye che wadwen e wo comment box mo tie for me da say